हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एग्ज़ाम ग्रेड 95 चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लूसेंट जी के एमसीक्यू के सेट 4 के क्वेश्चन कवर करेंगे। पैट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इज़ सिचुएटेड इन, आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, द बेस ऑफ द ब्रेन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रिंगवॉर्म इज़ ए डिसीज़, आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर डी, फंगल डिसीज़। Respiration process requires, answer is oxygen. Next question, which one of the following is also called the power plants of the cell? इसका आंसर है फ्रेंड्स ऑप्शन नंबर बी, माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन। ऑप्शन नंबर बी। कोलंबिया लिबिया इज द साइंटिफिक नेम ऑफ, आंसर इज पिजिन। ऑप्शन नंबर ए। Wisdom teeth is the third molar teeth. X-rays are not used for radar purpose because they are not reflected by the target. Option number A is correct answer. The deficiency of iron in man result in anemia. Option number A. Vegetable oils are converted into solid fat. Why? Hydrogenation. The tallest and thickest type of grass is bamboo. Option number C. The process of preventing the birds from flying is called, ऑप्शन नंबर ए, ब्रेलिंग। जो कि प्रोसेस है जिसमें पंछियों को उड़ने से रोका जाता है, उस प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है ब्रेलिंग। बीन्स सीन इन द लीव्स सर्व द फंक्शन ऑफ, आंसर इज कंडक्शन। ऑप्शन नंबर डी। द एडिबल पार्ट ऑफ कैबेज इज वेजिटेटिव बड। खाने वाला पार्ट है वेजिटेटिव बड। द विटामिन मोस्ट readily destroyed by heat is, ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ascorbic एसिड। जो कि हीट के द्वारा डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है, ascorbic एसिड। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए वैक्सीन? प्रोगेस्टेरोन। ऑप्शन नंबर डी। द डिसीज डैट इज caused by वायरस इज कॉमन कोल्ड। X-rays are streams of photons. Option number C. The term RH factor refers to RHS factor. Option number A. The discoverer of penicillin was Alexander Fleming. Option number B. The rest mass of photon is 0. The large amount of sugar present in human blood is glucose. Option number B. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Option number C. Sound is a mechanical wave. Option number B. If a body is whirled in a circle, the work done on it is 0. Option number B. Aluminium oxide is amphoteric in nature. Which of the following metals is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Option number C. BT cotton is genetically modified cotton. A radar beam consists of microwaves. In human beings, exchange of gases occur between lung and blood at alveoli. Option number C. With reference to water pollution, BOD means biochemical oxygen demand. Which of the following alloys contains tin? Solder. Option number B. What is the term given to a sudden change in the structure of a gene? Answer is mutation. Which teeth do we use when we cut and tear food? Answer is incisors and canines. Option number D. Viruses are made up of nucleic acid and protein. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Answer is option number A, hematite, copper, because hematite is a ore of iron, so it is not correctly matched. Which among the following elements increases the absorption of water and calcium in plants? Boron. Option number B. Who discovered wireless communication? Marconi. Option number C. Onion is a modified form of steam. Dehydration in human body is caused due to the loss of water. Typhoid fever is caused by bacteria. Next question है guys. Which of the following is known as vitamin B1? Thiamine. Which one of the following is a major constituent of petrol? Octane. Octane is answer. Which among the following waves is used for communication by artificial satellites? Answer is microwaves. Option number A. If the diameter of a capillary is doubled, then the rise of water in it will be. Correct answer is 2 times. Why the needle of iron swims on water surface when it is kept gently? Because of surface tension. Option number C. Which one of the following colors has the highest wavelength? Highest wavelength of red color. Electron microscope was invented by Knoll and Ruska. Option number A. Clear nights are colder than cloudy nights because of radiation. Option number C. Next question है guys. A soap bubbles shows colors when illuminated with the white light. This is due to interference. Option number C. A metal plate with a circular hole at the center is heated. What will happen to the area of the hole? Area of the hole increase. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Option number B. Which one of the following metals pollutes the air of a city having large number of automobiles? Answer is lead. Option number C. The element which is commonly used in nuclear for producing electricity by nuclear fission is uranium. Splitting of white light into 7 colors is due to. Answer is refraction. Option number B. The enzyme that converts glucose to ethyl alcohol is gymase. Who developed atom bomb? Answer is J. Robert Oppenheimer. The major harmful gas emitted by automobile vehicle which causes air pollution is carbon dioxide. Which of the following is chiefly present in LPG, liquefied petroleum gas? लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस में जो मेनली प्रेजेंट होती है वो है ब्यूटेन। Which among the following stage is suitable indicator when solution of sodium carbonate is mixed with sulfuric acid? Methyl orange. The process of ozone in the stratosphere is responsible for checking the penetration of ultraviolet rays to the earth. Option number C. Which of the following is used in making smoke bombs? Answer is carbon. German silver is an alloy of zinc, copper and nickel. Option number C. A metal is exposed to the atmosphere for some time, it becomes coated with green carbonate. The metal must be option number B. Copper. Which of the following compounds commonly used as an antiseptic in mouth washes and toothpastes? Sodium chloride. The substance most commonly used as a food preservative is sodium salt of benzoic acid. The luster of the metals is because of a reflection of light due to the presence of free electrons. Option number C. The greenhouse effect is caused by the higher level of which gas in the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. Option number B. Silver halides are used in the photographic plates because they are reduced by light. Option number C. The isotope used for the production of atomic energy is U-235. Which of the following can be used to absorb neutrons to control the chain reaction during nuclear fission? Correct answer है option number A, boron. Hydrogen bomb is based on the principle of uncontrolled fusion reaction. Option number D. Which one is not a good conductor of electricity? Option number A, porcelain. Which one of the following is not a alkaline? Correct answer is option number D, sulfur. Gunpowder mainly contains potassium nitrate. Infrared rays are, correct answer is electromagnetic waves. Stainless steel is an alloy. Human respiration releases carbon dioxide. Usually, color blindness is a genetic disposition. Option number A. What will happen to a person's weight when he is in a moving elevator? Weight will not change when the person is in the moving lift. So correct answer is weight will not change. What is the common name of the solution of calcium hydroxide? Lime butter is correct answer. When milk becomes sour is produced lactic acid. Option number B. Yellow fever is mainly transmitted among humans by female mosquito bite. An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Next question. When the car takes a bend, the force that pushes us to outside of the curve is the force is centripetal force. Which organ is not a gland? Gallbladder. Option number D. Anemic condition is due to deficiency of RBC, red blood corpuscles. Milk of magnesia is used as a painkiller. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body from its main position is called amplitude. The kinetic energy of a body depends upon both mass and velocity. Niagara Falls are in USA. Option number D. A swimmer finds it easier to swim in seawater than in plain water. Why? Seawater has higher density than plain water. Option number C is correct answer. Humidity refers to moisture content of the air. The temperature on the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Option number C. As a train approaches us, the frequency or shrillness of its whistle increases. The phenomenon is explained by Doppler effect. The load on a spring per unit deflection is called stiffness. Which one of the following is not a permanent lake? Playa Lake. Playa Lake is in Spain. Which one of the following countries does not border the Caspian Sea? Answer is Armenia. Which of the following is a deepest lake? Answer is Lake Baikal. Option number D. The world's largest lake is Caspian Sea. Option number C. The largest island in the Indian Ocean is Tasmania. Option number B.